If your kiddo is taking digestive enzymes, I want you to take a listen to this. Actually, this will be video one. I'm going to do a lot of videos because I feel like it's really interwebbed. But I used to have bad breath, okay, for a lot of years, unfortunately. Recently, after giving birth to my first baby, I struggled with it. And I know having MTHFR can affect the HCl, the stomach acid. So I could just tell, for instance, at the end of the day, if I had like a grass-fed beef dinner as opposed to a lunch or a breakfast, I could tell, I can almost like smell it, like it wasn't digesting, okay? And when you have undigested meat or undigested foods sit in your gut, what happens? Bacteria feed off of it. So you have overgrowth, SIBO, small intestinal bowel overgrowth, all of these things that happen. Okay, so I was taking digestive enzymes, I was taking HCl, and I don't know, I just felt like they weren't really helping that much, or maybe I'm just not that consistent. But anyway, I don't have that problem anymore since taking this immune modulator, and I'm going to tell you why. So some of your kids might be eating like perfectly. I actually have a lot of parents who have their kids eating perfectly, like grass-fed everything, organic everything, no grains, no soy, no all the things, no dairy, no gluten, which is amazing, but are still having issues and still have to take digestive enzymes and all these things. So I just wanted to kind of shed light on, again, why these immune modulators are so important is because instead of, again, chasing any one thing, chasing the enzymes, chasing the HCl, chasing whatever else, going, no protein diet, all these different things, if we can affect and improve the terrain, okay, so most importantly, there are villi, like little think of like little brushes at the end of our cells in our gut lining, and they do a lot, okay, so they move food, but they're like the little sensitive fingertips in our gut lining, and that gets damaged in a lot of our kids. So leaky gut, high zonulin means there's permeability, having MTHFR, not having enough stomach acid, like all of these things. But if we can help the gut lining to be a tighter junction, if we can help those little villi at the end of the intestinal cells, it is incredibly helpful to produce more digestive enzymes, which is way more powerful because they can produce digestive enzymes at every part of the gut instead of taking a supplement that maybe only targets the proximal part or whatever the case, or maybe it's not enough and then you have to do the timing. So I'm not saying not to take digestive enzymes. Always follow what your doctor is saying, but I am coming on here to encourage you to, again, look at these immune modulators because these cells cannot be inflamed. The villi have to be intact, and all of this happens when you can increase the immune system, cellular communication, reduce inflammation, and help the environment as opposed to just the parasites or just the bacteria or just the digestive enzymes or just the stomach acid. It's really incredible what the body can do. So that's part one.